As you all know that since the past few episodes, we have been answering questions related to academics of parents and students. Hari Om, Namaskaram. In the same order today, we are here with yet another question related to academics, and that is, how many hours in a day should a child study? The simplest answer to this question is the class in which you are divided by 2. For example, if a child is in the 8th standard, then 8 divided by 2, that is 4 hours is the time duration for you. Similarly, if a child is in the 9th standard, 9 by 2, 10th standard, 10 by 2. क्या हुआ? ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये बहुत है, इतनी देर बैठकर मैं पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकता? Then have you heard of the 10,000 hours rule? ये क्या है? According to this rule, if a person in his entire lifetime dedicates 10,000 hours in learning, practicing and polishing his skills, then that person becomes the best. I repeat, the best in his particular field, and nobody on the planet can beat him. पर एक बात याद रखें कि ये 10,000 घंटे एक साथ पूरे नहीं करने हैं. बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है. The only thing required is consistency and patience. पर फिर भी अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये बहुत ज्यादा है, इतना मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, then we have an alternative for you. You can follow the 1000 by 365 rule. What is this? According to this 1000 by 365 rule, you need to complete 1000 hours of practice in 1 year, according to which you daily need to devote 3 hours in practicing your skill. That can be academics or non-academics. Note that these 3 hours do not include the time that you are spending in your school, tuitions or coaching classes, but this is entirely the time of your self-study. अब भी अगर ये लग रहा है कि ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा है और मैं इतना भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा, तो बड़े दुख के साथ मुझे आपको ये सूचित करना पड़ रहा है कि आपकी उन्नति हो पाएगी, इस बात में प्रश्न चिन्ह है. क्योंकि कोई भी व्यक्ति अगर ईमानदारी से, निष्ठा से 3 घंटे भी अपने कर्म को नहीं कर सकता लगन से, तत्परता से, तो फिर उस व्यक्ति की उन्नति संभव नहीं है. डोंट वरी, नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल. हैव पेशेंस, वर्क हार्ड, try to focus on your target, and slowly you will definitely be able to achieve your goal. All the best. See you soon in the upcoming episodes of Inspiring Young Minds. Until then, stay tuned, stay happy, stay blessed. Namaskaram.